The existence of mermaids. Next, let's talk about the 10 most mysterious creatures on the beach. Number 3, Mermaid Corpse. Mermaid is a creature that has been living in the movie world. It has been in the fairy tale world. Its image is also very beautiful and touching. No one has ever seen a real mermaid. But one day, someone found a corpse on a beach. It looks like the mermaid we know. It has a half-human half-fish look, long hair and fish tail. But it is completely different from the beautiful and touching image we see. It's like a piece of charcoal. It's very scary. However, if this video is real, you can see from the video that this creature seems to have a flag. It looks like a fragile fish under the sun. But unfortunately, we can't find any information about this country or the beach. As you may know, more than 95% of the ocean has not yet been explored. So we don't know what may be hidden under the sea. Is this possibly a real mermaid on the beach? What do you think about this? It is said that in the 1990s, a fisherman was fishing. He found a living mermaid in the nearby reef. According to the fisherman, this mermaid is very beautiful. It has a half-human hair and fish tail. It makes a strange sound in its mouth. The fisherman immediately contacted the relevant department. But he was waiting for them to catch up with the mermaid. It is not yet known whether the fisherman saw a real mermaid, because only he saw it at that time. This was on February 22, 2017. The locals believe that the end of the world is coming, because this strange object was washed ashore on the Philippine coast. It seems to have a tail, or a long handle and tube-shaped hair or fur. This object is about 6 meters long. It is bigger than 3 adults. The marine biologist Mao Long Guai further examined and found that it weighs 4,000 kilograms. Such a huge marine creature makes everyone think it is a whale. But it doesn't quite match this description. This creature has a mysterious hair-like fin around its body. According to the researchers of the National Geographic, these fins are made up of decomposed muscle fibers. What is even more frightening is that this is not the first time a huge hairy object has been found on the shore. A year ago, another 15-meter-long animal was mistakenly thought to be an object. And in 2003, Chile also found a similar 13-ton object. What do you think these creatures are? This huge beach monster was found on the beach off the coast of New York's Dixie Plain in July 2008. From the picture, it looks like a deadly virus creature. Some people think it is a whale. It looks absolutely huge, in strange blue and purple. Although the body looks like it's not. It seems to have a human-like face with terrible sharp teeth. The mysterious Montauk monster is obviously not similar to our world. This has aroused a disturbing question. How much do we know about the ocean? Some people claim that the Montauk monster is a mutation experiment. Because there is a laboratory near the beach, the mysterious Montauk monster only appeared in the news for a very short time, and was never mentioned again. Thanks for watching this video.